Hey traders, Nick here. Doing homework for the team for the live room for Monday. So, looking at Funko, I had a couple of requests for it. It's not a stock I trade, but I have covered it before. If you can see, my last comment was here somewhere. I drew a line. I said buy the dip opportunity, and I put the zone where I would buy the dip opportunity. And if somebody did that for the last few months, they did well. So that's the idea. So what's my comment today? As of, well, clearly it had a good day on a bad market sentiment week. The score wasn't that bad, but the sentiment was definitely bad because of the unfortunate events in Ukraine. So hopefully they resolve that. But about this stock, if this is a buying opportunity like it turned out to be, this is not a buying opportunity. It doesn't mean it cannot go higher. If I'm managing my own money and I'm worried about making easy mistakes, this could be an easy mistake. Buying a stock into prior fails with a huge, it was fun to be up here, but whoever bought up here is definitely holding a big bag, waiting for these guys to come bail them out. That they wouldn't have my money, that's for sure. So if this was a buying opportunity, this is definitely not an easy buying opportunity. If my mother says, hey, I need to invest in this, and say, no, mom, you're not going to invest in that. Not trading. You're not going to trade in that. Let me see here. Weekly. All right, so this kind of reiterate the same thing. If this is wrong, somewhere in the middle lies the truth. So this is a lot of chop and heavy overhead resistance. Look at all these. This is a weekly chart. So this represents a whole week worth of action. And these long sticks means they tried and failed. They wanted to be up here and then closed lower, much lower. These two candles matter. This failure matters. So you can see, look, it's been an area from a long look. I'm going to leave my cursor right there and look left. That dashed white line. These are weekly tops. Not an ideal point to get in at weekly proven tops or confluent points of interest. So this continues to be correct. The proper way I would trade this, if I chased it on Friday, I made a mistake potentially. That the smart people are getting out here. They were long somewhere down here. So if they bought the dip in that zone, they did well. If somebody's chasing a rip here, maybe they would do well, but it's not an easy, obvious entry point. That's it. I mean, nothing. I didn't address the Funko. Okay, so I think they make toys that go with movies and such. The P&L neither here nor there. So I didn't even address any of that. Just from a price point perspective, those would be my comments. All right, folks. The live sessions are going great. 220 to 260 people in there. I share my screens, total fun. I will eventually reopen it to the public. Right now I'm at capacity, but you can email me if you need to be on the list later.